Ho ho ho! Santa here again, and it's day 7. And today I've got one of my little elves helping me, Shaun Johnson, 3D artist, and he's going to be discussing the Mesh Data Combiner node.
Thanks a lot, Santa. My name is Shaun, and I'm the elf working today. So the node that we're going to be talking about is the Mesh Data Combiner node, which can be found in the library under Mesh Adaptive, and it's right here, Mesh Data Combiner. So what this is going to do is combine all of your baked maps that you've outputted using the baked model information option. So it'll take all of those and combine them into one node, which can be very, very useful and very helpful for cleaning up a messy graph such as this. So we've got all these connections, all these noodles crisscrossing each other, just very messy and just sometimes difficult to read. So same graph using this Mesh Data Combiner will instead look like this. So much, much cleaner, much easier to read. No noodles crisscrossing each other. So to set this up, I'll just delete this. We can just drag in the Mesh Data Combiner, and if we go to material mode, we can see all of our inputs and our outputs that we have here. So for this one, I'm just going to use a height map, a curvature map, ambient occlusion, normal map, and a color ID map. Let's drag those into the graph, and we can just go ahead and connect those up. So this one's, if we check over here, it's a height map. So we can just connect that. Where is it? Whoa, there's a height map. Curvature map, ambient occlusion, normal map, normal map, and a color ID map. So that's already connected, but to clean up this a little bit more, we can double click on it, and we can see here that we're not using a position grayscale, UV mask, position color. We're not using these. So we can go over here to the instance parameters on the right and just uncheck the ones that we're not using. So UV mask, we're not using it, don't need it. Position grayscale, nope. Position color, nope. And world space direction normal, not going to use. So we've just got those 5 maps, 5 inputs, 5 outputs. Great. So to clean this up even further, we can select all the maps and hit D on the keyboard, which is going to dock them. Whoa, so clean. And if we go back to compact material mode, we can see now that we have 5 outputs that will be combined to make one output. Very, very useful. So for these material filters we've got set up here, we can see that if we go to material mode, this one, in order to work, needs an ambient occlusion and a curvature map. So we can go back to compact material, just connect that, and it automatically connects only the maps that it needs to work. So check it again, ambient occlusion and curvature. It's already connected it. Very smart little guy, this one. Very smart little node. So again, connect it to the other material maps. Whoops. Keep going with these ones. And up the top here, we need a color ID as well. And there we go. That's all set up. So we can see all of our maps and all of our material filters working in the 3D view. So it's really, really useful for cleaning up some messy graphs. Really recommend it. So that's the Mesh Data Combiner. What do they say? Cleanliness is next to godliness. So yeah, why not use this one to live like a god? Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.
My, what a fabulous presentation from a fabulous elf. Join us tomorrow, where it will be day 8, and another node will be explained. Ho, ho, ho.